Now students, it's time to do example 24. So example 24 is, I'm reading the statement. It says that Seema had rupees 180, okay, with her in the form of rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins. Okay, she have coins and she has coins and the total money she has is 180. Now, number of rupees 2 coins is twice the number of rupees 5 coins. Find the number of coins of each type. So, I have just read the statement. What is our first step? Our first step is, what do you have to find? You have to find the number of coins. The number of coins of each type. Each type means there are how many types are there? There are types of coins as rupees 2 coins and rupees 5 coins. Now, we have to find the number of coins. So, our first step is, now come to the question again. It says that Seema had rupees 180 with her in the form of rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins. Now, number of rupees 2 coins, the coins that are of rupees 2 is twice. Twice means 2 times. So, number of rupees 2 coins is 2 times the number of rupees 5 coins. It means first thing I have to take number of number of rupees 5 coins. So, let the number of coins of rupees 5. Okay. The number of coins of rupees 5 is equal to X. Now, come to the question. It says that number of rupees 2 coins. So, the number of coins of rupees 2. Okay. Number of coins of rupees 2 will be twice the number of rupees 5 coins. And number of coins of rupees 5 is X. And twice of X means 2 times of X. It means 2X. So, we have 2 types of coins. First coin is rupees 2 and second is rupees 5. Rupees 5, how many coins are there? X. And rupees 2, how many coins are there? 2X. Now, it says that Seema had 180 rupees. It means total amount that Seema has is 180 rupees. Now, see that what will you do now? If, for simple way, if I give you like, you have 5 coins of rupees 2. Each coin is rupees 2 and you have 5 coins. It means how much amount will you have? How much amount? 10 rupees. Why? If one coin is rupees 2 and you have 5 coins, you have such 5 coins, then the total amount will be 5 multiplied 2, which is rupees 10. Very simple. Same rule applies here. I have just the number of coins only. I have not amount. I have just number of coins and that number of coins are X. Okay. And coins are of rupees 5. So, total amount of rupees 5 coins will be, I am writing, total amount in the form of rupees 5 coins. Okay. If I have X coins of rupees 5, then total amount will be, what will you do here? What did you do? You just multiplied 5 with 2. Same rule applies here. I will multiply this 5 with X. That will be my total amount. Same. Total amount in the form of in the form of rupees 2 coins. Rupees 2 coins. Okay. How many coins I have? How many coins? 2x coins. And each coin costs rupees 2. It means total amount will be 2 multiplied by 2x. Very good. And it will give you 4x. Okay. So what I have done? I have just taken the number of coins first of rupees 5. That is x. Now number of coins of rupees 2 will be twice the number of coins of rupees 5. 2x. Got it? No problem. Now these are just number of coins only. But I have to take the amount because Seema had rupees 180. Okay. Now what will I do? I will write total amount in the form of rupees 5 coins. Okay. If one coin, if there are x coins and each coin costs rupees 5, then total amount will be obviously 5x. And the same rule applies here. Total amount in the form of rupees 2 coins will be 2 multiplied by how many coins? 2x. So 4x. Okay. These are my now total amounts. Now come to the question again. It says that Seema had rupees 180 with her. It means your total amount is now 180. I am writing here my total amount. Total amount is equal to rupees 180. And that total amount is in the form of rupee 2 coins and rupee 5 coins. And we know that rupee 5 coins, the total amount of rupee 5 coins is 5x plus total amount in the form of rupee 2 coins will be is 4x. So I will add that and this will be equal to 180. Why? Because the total amount was 180. So I will solve this equation. 5 plus 4 is 9x is equal to 180 and it will give you the value of x. X is equal to 180 by 9 and that is equal to 20. So you have just found the value of x only. Now what will you do? You have to find the number of coins of each type. Okay. And this is just the value of x. Now what will I do? I am rubbing this part. See, you have taken the number of coins of rupees 5. Number of coins of rupees 5 is equal to x. And x is your now 20. And same number of coins of rupees 2. That was 2x. And 2x means 2 multiplied 20. It will give you 40. So it means you have 20 coins of rupees 5 and 40 coins of rupees 2. Okay, this is your answer. Why? Because you have to find the number of coins of each type. So 20 is the number of coins of rupees 5 and 40 is the number of coins of rupees 2. Got it? Now, the last step is you will verify your answer. How will you verify? See, number of coins of rupee 5 is 20. One coin costs rupee 5. Then 20 coins will cost you 100. Why? 20 multiply 5. Okay. Now, number of coins of rupees 2 is equal to 40. One coin cost rupee 2. So, 40 coins cost 40 multiply 2. I will add this. 20 multiply 5 will give you 100 plus 40 multiply 2. It will give you 80. And finally, it will give you 180. And see, verify. 180 was the amount that Seema had in total with her in the form of rupee 2 and rupee 5 coins. So our solution is verified.